Equipment deals. We have a 2014 Cat dump truck set up here. Give you a quick little walk around video, let you see this. 315 22.5s in the front. Has the Cat CT13. No blow by. Nice clean oil. Runs excellent. Got a half round box. Good tread in the rear. Aluminum wheels in the back. Aluminum wheels in the front as well. One wheel's polished, one's not, both aluminums. Nice clean bed, half round box. Gets a 100-gallon fuel tank. Clean tread on this side. Motor runs excellent. Lights are working on the hood. Hood's got a little bit of, it looks like it's got some sort of brake right here. And it's got some clear that's starting to come off. Besides that, truck's in great shape. Interior's in nice shape as well. It's got 248,000 miles. Does have a check engine light off, which will be fixed. We will update the ad. Horn works, all the lights work. Does have the automatic transmission in this truck. PTO. Does have all the bed. Obviously it works. I'll show that. Nice clean seat. It's got a little bit of some wear that's coming off, but no tears. Air ride seat. Air ride seat on that side as well. Now we'll go ahead and shut this hood and demonstrate what we've got going on here. As you can see, this truck runs and works, goes forward and backwards as it's supposed to. Tarp works, bed dumps, the hoist works. Maybe a little low on hydraulic fluid there. Looks like it's been leaking a little bit, so maybe a little bit low. That will be fixed as well. That's been stated by the seller. So you'll have a nice clean truck to go to work with. This truck's located here in Dallas, Texas. I want to also state that it has it's plumbed for a pup in the rear, so a pup trailer in the rear. It was formerly owned by a nice excavation truck company that took very good care of their stuff. Nice tread in the rear. Nice body, nice paint. It's ready to go to work, boys. Again, located here in Dallas, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQDLs. Thanks so much.